Good morning, everybody. If I can grab a few minutes of your attention, we're going to announce Innovation Zone Awards here. So every year we give out Innovation Zone Prototype of the Year Award. In addition to that, we'll be announcing 4 honoree awards. Before I do that, I want to start with introducing folks here. So Helge Seetzen is the president of SID, entrepreneur at heart, and also I think a founding member of the Innovation Zone. So this is the 8th year of our Innovation Zone here, and it's been a great addition. What do you guys think?
Oh, yeah.
So we've had a record number of applications this year, and all the participants who've made it thus far, they are all winners. But today, the committee has to do a hard job of picking a few that we see the potential of coming out to the world, bringing new technology. So before I start, I want to just recognize the iZone committee. So if all the iZone committee members, if they can raise their hand, you're here. So these are the folks that are working behind the scenes, looking at all your applications and doing the hard work in the background. All right. So before we give out awards, I'd like to invite Helge to say a few words.
Thank you, Harit, and thank you all for being here. I should direct my shout towards the folks in the back here that are still busy hawking their inventions to everybody. If you haven't heard it by now, the people you have to bribe are these guys, not those guys. Just kidding. Well, thank you all for attending. The iZone, as Harit mentioned, we created it 8 years ago. So 8 years ago, I was one of the very few people with an entrepreneurial background, in fact, probably the only one, in the executive committee of the society. And we had a great program for industry, and we had a great program for academics. And sort of somewhat self-servingly, I was pushing, hey guys, we should do something for entrepreneurs, for people that are new in their career, that are creating new things, that are innovators, whether they're in companies already, little startups, or whether they are in universities hoping to become startups. And that push really created the iZone, which started really, really small. The first iZone 8 years ago was like a quarter of this little area, much less the one over there. So it's incredible to see how big this has grown. It's incredible how many people it's attracted, both in terms of the young ventures exhibiting, but also everybody attending. It seems packed everywhere every time I come here. So exciting time. Congratulations in advance to all the winners. Thank you for the team of experts and judges, and thank you particularly for Harit, who's pushed this forward. And none of this would be possible without the sponsorship of e-Ink, which has stood by us for 8 years running now. Every year they've sponsored the iZone and really made this possible. So thank you, a big, big, big thanks to e-Ink as well. And like I said, congratulations to all the winners in advance.
Thank you. So I'm going to start off with the honoree awards first. So if your name is called, if you can come up here, we'd like to take pictures and hand you some certificates. So the first honoree award for 2019 Innovation Zone goes to Boréas Technologies for its innovation of low power, multi-frequency, haptic driver architecture for applications such as mobile devices and many others. So congratulations.
Smiley. Okay.
The next honoree award is LPKF Laser Electronics for its novel laser etching process enabling technology for foldable display substrates.
Thank you. Thank you.
The third honoree award goes to TouchNetix Limited for its commercialization of multifunctional IC that integrates capacitive touch, force sensing, and haptic feedback technologies all in one solution.
Thank you. Thanks very much.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Drum roll. Big winner.
And the last, actually the last honorary award goes to Sonavi Labs for its digital stethoscope with a unique integration of low power display and touch technology, which has the potential for global life-changing impact. I think they're taking a break. So let's move on to the big winner tonight. This is the 2019 winner of the iZone Prototype Award, and it goes to Holst Centre for its highly transparent thin film biometric scanner integrated on top of a flat panel display.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Come in front of the metal. Come in front of them. Okay. Smile. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
Right, come back next year.
Right.
Get a boost.
And really,
Do you want to take a picture all together, Harit?
Really?
Do you want to take a picture all together?
Yeah, let's
Thank you.
take a picture.
also with us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Get down here. Stay with
I'm not sure. Let's try.
Very nice.
SID sales team.
That's right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the appreciation. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
So how does it feel like winning the prize?
Oh, it's like a display Oscar, so perfect. Have you seen it already?
No, we're going to do the video.
Yes, of
Okay.
course.
Very good.
It's really awesome. So it's like a process to get from what you did last year to this year.
Yeah, so actually we are really happy because last year we promised that we'll come back this year with the transparent one, and using all the new technologies to achieve that. So I'm really happy that we could deliver on that promise, like we always do, and we have the new demo here. So
And what do you want to say in the speech too?
I thought it was
speech.
great. It's a great honor to receive this award from SID. And I think it's also a great opportunity for us to talk to the different companies and the different viewpoints of people on our technology. So, in short, excellent.
Cool.